Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss a very special opportunity in Indian Air Force for ground duty officer in non-technical branch for account post. So it's really a good opportunity for all those candidates who wants to serve in the Indian Air Force as a commissioned officer. So friends, let's start and discuss the notification. Friends, it's for the course commencing from January 2023. So for that purpose they have released the notification, and the online application will commence from 1st December 2021 to 30th December 2021. So you have almost 30 days to fill up the application form. And friends, you can fill the application form on the website of the Indian Air Force, that is career in indianairforce.cdac.in or https fcat.cdac.in. So let's go through other terms and conditions. Friends, the FCAT examination will be held on 12th, 13th and 14th February 2022. FCAT is Air Force Common Admission Test. And if I talk about the vacancies available for this accounts stream, so friends, for ground duty non-technical, you will be under administrative and education branch. Here under accounts there are 4 vacancy as permanent commission and 17 vacancies under short service commissioned officer. So that is, if you are permanent commission, you will be till the superannuation age, you will work in the Indian Air Force, and for short service commission it is for 10 years and further it can be extended to 4 more years, so 14 years of service under SSC. But still here also they can be converted into permanent commission. So there are total 21 vacancies. So as I informed earlier, type of commission, permanent commission for is only for the men candidates. Here you will be served till age of superannuation, and short service commission is for both men as well as women. Here for ground duty officer you will be for a period of 10 years, which can be further extended to 4 more years. Now let's talk about the eligibility conditions. Friends, you need to be citizen of India, and in age criteria for ground duty officer non-technical branch you should be between 20 to 26 years as on 1st January 2023. That is, you have to be born between 2nd January 1997 to 1st January 2003. So if you are born between this date, then you are eligible to apply for the post. And for marital status, friends, if a candidate is below 25 years, he has to be unmarried candidate if you want to apply for this post. And if you are above 25 years, then married candidate is allowed, provided you will not be provided any married accommodation, or nor you can live with your family during the period of training. So do keep this in mind if you want to apply for this post. And if you are about 25 years, then married candidate have to take care of this provision also. And your date of birth will be as mentioned in your 10th or school leaving certificate. Now let's talk about the education qualification required for this post. So friends, for ground duty non-technical branch, here for accounts branch, you need to be 10+2 passed through a regular means, and you have to be completed your graduation. Here you can be either a BCom graduate with minimum 3 years course, or you can be a Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA, with specialization in finance, or BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, or Bachelor of Business Studies with specialization in finance, or you should be a qualified CA, CMA, CS or CFA candidate, then you are eligible to apply. Or you can be a BSc with specialization in finance, then only you will be eligible. So do keep this in mind, your 10+2 should be a regular pattern, then only you are eligible, and you have to be completed your graduation. Candidate who are in the final year and yet to pass final year degree examination can also apply, provided they don't have any backlog and should have secured minimum 60% marks up to the last semester, which result have been declared at the time of submission of application, and they required to submit proof of passing degree examination by November 2022. So final year student are also eligible to apply. And how to apply? You have to apply using online means through Indian Air Force website. If I quickly mention you the examination fee, so friends, here the examination you have to pay rupees 250 non-refundable examination fee to apply for this examination, and you can pay through online mode. And if you are serving government employee, then you need to provide a NOC Now, scheme of online examination. So as I already mentioned that your exam will be held on either 12th February, 13th or 14th Feb 2022, and they have mentioned the shift timing, on which shift what examination will be held and the timing of the examination. You can go through them in detail. Now let's talk about the syllabus for the examination. So friends, the accounts branch will fall under this category. Here your examination will consist of general awareness, verbal ability in English, numerical ability and reasoning, and military aptitude tests. So you will be given question from these subjects only. The duration will be 2 hours, number of questions will be 100, and the maximum marks will be 300. It will be a MCQ type question. So there is no descriptive, it's just objective kind of questions will be asked. And the good news is that they will not be asked anything from your professional knowledge or technical syllabus. So all these are the non-technical syllabus which is common in almost all type of examination. So I don't think so it will be that much difficult for you if you are already preparing for various PSU exams, because these are the normal non-technical syllabus and you will have a good chance of clearing this examination. And marking scheme, 3 marks will be awarded for correct answers and 1 marks will be deducted for every incorrect answers. So there is a negative marking of 1 marks in the examination. Then they have mentioned the syllabus, what will be asked in English, what will be asked in general awareness, numerical ability and reasoning. So you can go through them in detail. And friends, also they have provided the online practice test link where you can go on the website of Indian Air Force and can practice this FCAT examination. So just to know what kind of questions are asked by them. So it's really a good thing. And if you have not received the admit card, then you can contact them on the mentioned email address and the phone number for resolving your queries. So friends, rest are the normal terms and conditions. I will provide the notification link in the description. You can go through the notification in detail. So friends, it's really a very good opportunity for a commerce student who wants to pursue their career in Indian Air Force, and that too as a commissioned officer. One of the lifetime opportunity, that it's very reputed and respectable job that everyone looks to have this kind of a job. So if you really want to pursue your career in Indian Air Force, then you should definitely try and apply for this vacancy. So I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.